Welcome to this new section, and in this section you're going to learn how to build a real-world program that allows the user to store information about books. So I have already built that program and I'll show you step by step how you can do the same. I have the program here and it's an executable file. So apart from learning how to build the .py program, you'll also learn how to build executable files that run on Windows and .app file that run on Mac. So you can basically give your program to anyone and they don't need to have Python installed in their computer. So I call the program bookstore. And this was built mainly with Tkinter, which is a graphical user interface library, and the SQLite 3 library, which is a library to interact with SQLite database. So what we got here are 4 entries where you can enter a new book record. So let's say you got a new book in your store and you want to add it in your database. And here you can see all the books that have been added to the program. You can add a new book, let's say Pythons for the title, added quickly and 1918. You have the ISBN number, which is unique identification number for books. It's quite long, let's say like that, and you add entry and then you view all again and you'll see that the new entry was added to the database. So every record that you see here is actually stored in a table inside this Lite1 database. Then you have some other buttons here, so if you want you can actually search for entry for a record. Search entry and then it will display the entry that you search. When you click on the entry, you get all the fields displayed in each of the text box here. So view all again, and you can also update and delete records. And finally you can close the window. So it's not a great user interface. I'm not a great user interface designer, but you will learn a lot by building this program. So it's quite a long one, but it will pay off. So let's kick it off.